Most product descriptions don't sell, they confuse. A recent Baymard study found that 10% of abandoned purchases are due to unclear product information. That means your words, not your product, might be costing you sales. If you've ever stared at a blank screen for hours, unsure how to explain what you're selling, you're not alone. Writing great product descriptions takes time, drains energy, and often still doesn't convert. Whether you're launching a new Shopify store, selling a Notion template on Etsy, or listing your latest Gumroad product, the struggle is the same. Writing that actually sells is hard. And here's the worst part. Even if you finally get something written, it might sound generic, flat, or unclear. You don't want to sound robotic, but you also don't want to ramble. You want clarity, professionalism, and persuasion, all in one. And that's where most creators get stuck. The truth is, a great product description is not just about listing features. It's about helping someone imagine the transformation your product offers. And that shift from writing features to writing benefits is where most sellers fall short. Here's a helpful insight that changed everything for me. People don't buy tools, they buy outcomes. A client tracker? That's a feature. Peace of mind knowing you won't forget a deadline? That's a benefit. The best product descriptions don't just describe what something is, they paint a picture of what life looks like after someone buys it. Once you understand this timeless copywriting principle, your words become more than text. They become a selling machine. But learning how to do this from scratch takes years. What if there was a way to shortcut the learning curve? That's exactly why AI Creator Max exists. Inside the platform, there's a tool called Product Descriptions, built specifically for digital product sellers like you. It's designed to help you write clearer, high-converting descriptions in just a few clicks. You can search for it on the dashboard, and when you open it, you'll see simple input fields that guide you through the process. It's intuitive, fast, and removes all the guesswork. Let me show you a quick example. I'll enter the product name, Notion template for freelancers. For characteristics, I'll describe it as a client tracker, invoice generator, and project dashboard, fully customizable and beginner-friendly. Then I'll enter keywords like freelance tools, Notion dashboard, and productivity. I'll set the tone to professional and language to English. That's it. I click generate, and in a few seconds, I have a complete product description that sounds clear, persuasive, and on brand. No stress. No blank pages. The result is ready to copy, paste, and use. You can rate it 5 stars, save it to your email, copy the text to clipboard, or tweak the wording to make it your own. And if you want to revisit an earlier version, just check the History tab on the left. Everything is saved for you automatically. It's like having your own copywriter, ready whenever you need it. If you're tired of spending hours writing descriptions that don't convert, this is your shortcut. AI Creator Max gives you the words, so you can focus on your products. You can try it completely free at aicreatormax.com. The link is right there in the description. Before you go, here's a bonus tip that will instantly boost your conversions. Add a one-line benefit-driven call to action at the end of your product description. Something like start organizing your freelance business in minutes, even if you're new to Notion. This subtle line often makes the difference between a visitor scrolling past and a customer clicking buy. It reassures them that the product is easy, helpful, and made for them. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who's selling online. You just learned a simple way to turn your words into sales, and now, so can they. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.